Hey everybody, I want to take a second to go over these types of problems. I think it's like 21 through 24 on this homework 6 assignment that's due next week. Deals with graphing transformations of logarithmic and exponential functions. So what I want to show you is how we graph this. It's a little different. I don't think we've worked with the graphing tool much yet so far. But when we look at this function, we can see that it's going to be the graph of 3 to the x, and then this minus 5 on the outside means we're going to shift the graph vertically down 5 places. So what we want to do is we want to click here, and we've got a couple of tools. The first one is a logarithmic tool. We're going to be using an exponential tool because this is an exponential function. Now we need to plot our first point. And the one thing I do know is that the point 0, 1 is on the graph of every exponential function. So I'm going to click that right there. Now the first area I want to go is it asks what the base is, and currently it's set as a natural log or a base function of e. So it's currently graphing e to the x, but we want to change that base to 3. And then there's this minus 5 on the outside. So this is a vertical stretch, vertical compression, but we want to shift the graph down 5, so we're going to move this to be a minus 5. And then that's going to go ahead and graph that for us. And then it moves on to domain and range from that point. I think you guys should be okay handling domain and range, but hopefully this shows you how we use that equation. Just, again, click in the graph on the first point, and then change your base, and then apply the transformations.